Hello everyone, and welcome back to Online English Podcast channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Lily.
Hi Lily, hi everyone from around the world. I am Max. It's great to be here again.
We're really happy you're here with us today.
Thank you for joining us.
Today we have a very simple, very helpful topic for all beginners.
That's right. We're talking about something important, something powerful, something every learner feels.
I am so happy you are here today, ready to learn, ready to grow, and ready to improve your English.
It feels great to be here again. I feel excited. I feel inspired. And I feel ready to speak English with all of you.
I feel the same. Every time we begin a new lesson, I feel a little spark inside. A small spark of motivation. And today that spark is even bigger because our topic is something powerful.
Something powerful? Okay, now I am curious. What is the topic today?
Today's topic is something every learner needs to hear. It is simple, it is honest, and it is life-changing. Today we talk about this. Stop waiting for perfect English. Just begin speaking.
Oh yes, the perfection problem. The big monster in the mind. The voice that says, you are not ready. Your English is not good enough. Wait a little longer. I know that feeling very well.
Every learner knows it. Every single one. People wait for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment never comes. They wait for better grammar. They wait for more vocabulary. They wait for confidence. But real confidence grows only when you start speaking.
Exactly. Confidence does not fall from the sky. It does not appear magically. It comes from action. It comes from practice. It comes from doing the thing you are afraid to do.
And that is why we are here today. To help you begin. To help you take action. To help you move from waiting to doing.
Yes. And we will share practical tips. Real tips. Easy tips. Tips you can start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today.
Let's begin. Our first tip is simple, but extremely effective. Watch short English videos with English subtitles.
Short videos? Why short?
Because short videos are easier for your brain. They do not overwhelm you. You can watch them once. You can watch them twice. You can watch them 5 times. And it does not feel too long.
That is true. When a video is long, you get tired. You lose focus. You start thinking about other things.
Exactly. Short content keeps your attention. It helps your listening. And it helps your reading at the same time. Because you hear the English sound and you see the English words.
So the brain connects the sound to the text. And slowly, the brain learns patterns, expressions, and natural rhythm.
Yes. It trains your ears. It trains your eyes. And if you watch every day, even for 5 minutes, your progress becomes visible.
I like that. It is simple, enjoyable, and useful. And you do not need a teacher. You just need your phone.
Exactly. You can watch while eating breakfast. You can watch during your commute. You can watch before sleeping.
Small habits create big results. Okay, Lily, what is our second simple tip?
The second tip is something many students find funny, but it is extremely powerful. It is called self-talk. Talking to yourself.
Talking to myself? I already do that sometimes.
Good. Now do it in English. For just 30 seconds. That is all you need. 30 seconds of talking about what you are doing right now.
For example, I say, I am sitting on a chair. I am holding my phone. I am listening to Lily.
Exactly. Very simple sentences. Real actions. Real life. And when you do this daily, your brain stops translating. It starts thinking in English.
That is the big goal. Thinking in English. Not translating every sentence word by word.
Yes. Translation is slow. It is heavy. It blocks your speaking. But self-talk trains your brain to find English words quickly.
And 30 seconds is not scary. It is small. It is doable.
That is why it works. Small steps create big changes. And if you do not know a word, it is okay. Keep going. You can check the word later.
So mistakes are not a problem here.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. When you make a mistake, it means you are trying. Trying means progress. Our next tip is about vocabulary. Many students learn long lists of words that they never use. Types of fish, names of tools, rare animals.
Yes. I once learned the word screwdriver. I never used it. Not even once.
Exactly. That is the problem. Students spend time learning words that do not help them in daily conversation.
So what should they do instead?
Learn expressions you actually use in your own language every day. Think about the sentences you say often. For example, I am tired. I need a break. I like this. I do not understand. Please repeat.
These are real expressions. Real life sentences.
Yes. And when you learn the English version of these expressions, you can use them immediately. You see results quickly, and your English becomes practical.
I like that word. Practical English. English you can use right away.
Exactly. Save these expressions in your phone. Write them in a notebook. Repeat them often.
This is smart. Instead of 50 random words, you learn 10 useful expressions. And those 10 expressions help you speak more. Okay, Lily, what is our next powerful tip?
This one is fun. We call it sentence frames. These are small sentence starters that you can use to make many sentences quickly.
Like what?
For example, I usually see.
I usually wake up at 7. I usually drink tea. I usually go to work. I usually exercise.
You made 4 sentences in a few seconds, and all you changed was the ending.
That feels good. It feels like I can speak more English with less effort.
Exactly. Other useful frames are I like to, I want to, I need to, I am going to, I am trying to.
I like to read. I like to learn. I like to relax. I want to travel. I want to improve. I want to speak. I need to study. I need to rest. I need to focus.
See, you can make many sentences quickly. This builds confidence. It teaches grammar naturally, without stress.
Grammar without grammar books. I love that.
Now we come to one of the most powerful tips. Read out loud for 5 to 10 minutes.
Read out loud? Not silently?
Yes, out loud. Because speaking English requires your mouth, your tongue, your lips. They need exercise. Speaking is physical.
So reading out loud gives my mouth a workout.
Exactly. It trains your muscles. It builds fluency. And here is the key rule. Do not stop. Keep reading even if you make a mistake. Keep going even if you do not understand a word.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but it is extremely effective. Most learners stop too much. They stop to correct themselves. They stop to check meaning. They stop to think. But fluency comes from flow, not from stopping.
So this exercise is about flow.
Yes. Flow. Rhythm. Comfort. After 10 minutes, you will feel your mouth get tired. That means it is working.
And what should learners read?
Anything. Short stories, news articles, blog posts, transcripts.
Okay, Lily, what is next?
Now we talk about mindset. Something deep inside your brain. Something that controls your learning. You must focus on progress, not perfection.
That is important. Because perfection makes you fear mistakes.
Exactly. And fear stops you from speaking. Many students think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh. People will judge me. But that is not true. Most people respect your effort.
Yes. When someone speaks my language, even with mistakes, I feel happy. I feel impressed.
Exactly. Mistakes show that you are learning. Mistakes are proof that you are growing. Mistakes are steps, not failures.
I like that. Steps, not failures.
Now let's talk about daily habits. Learning English is like brushing your teeth. You must do it every day. Not for hours. Just a little bit daily.
Like small daily actions.
Yes. Watch one short video. Read for 10 minutes. Talk to yourself for 30 seconds. Listen to a podcast while cooking.
Small actions, big results.
Exactly. Consistency is more powerful than long study sessions once a week.
So the key is, do a little every day.
And now we reach the final message of today. The heart of everything we discussed. The most important idea.
Yes. The idea that started this episode.
Stop waiting for perfect English. Just start.
Start small. Start simple. Start imperfectly.
Start with one tip. Just one. Try self-talk today. Watch one short video today. Read out loud today.
Do not wait for Monday. Do not wait for next month. Do not wait for confidence.
Because confidence comes from starting, not from waiting. Your English journey begins when you take the first step. A small step. A simple step. A real step.
Progress comes from starting, not from waiting. You are not too late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Today is your start. Right now is your moment.
Every big journey begins with one small step. And you already took that step. You listened. You practiced. You repeated. You learned something new. This is progress.
Do not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time will never come. Make this moment your perfect time. Use your English today. Use one word. Use one phrase. Use one sentence. Just use it.
Believe this. You can speak English. You can grow. You can improve. You can do more than you think. You are stronger than your doubts. You are bigger than your fear. Your future English is already waiting for you.
When you feel shy, speak. When you feel nervous, speak. When you feel afraid, speak. Slowly. Simply. But speak. Every small sound builds your confidence. Every small word builds your skill.
Many people stop. But you are not stopping. You are moving forward. Step by step. Word by word. Day by day. This is how real change begins. Not fast. Not perfect. But consistent.
You have everything you need. You have your voice. You have your mind. You have your courage. You have your dream. And now, you have this message inside you. Do not wait. Speak.
Imagine yourself after 6 months. After 1 year. After 2 years. Imagine how confident you will feel. Imagine how natural English will sound for you. That future begins today. Right now. With your next word.
So take a deep breath. Stand strong. And tell yourself, I can speak English. Say it again in your heart. I can speak English. And now say it in your voice. Slowly. Clearly. I can speak English.
Yes. You can. And you will. Every day. A little more. A little stronger. A little braver.
The journey is long. But you are not alone. We are here with you. Learning with you. Growing with you. Pushing you forward. Helping you believe.
Remember this message. Stop waiting. Start speaking. Your English life begins today. Your new confidence begins today. Your strong future begins today.
You can do this. You are ready. Start now. Speak now. Today is your day. Take this message with you. Carry it into your day. Use one word. Use one sentence. Start small, but start now.
Your English grows every time you speak. Every word you say is a victory. Every moment you try is a step forward. Keep moving. Keep speaking.
Believe in your voice. Believe in your progress. Believe in your future. You are ready.
This is your moment. This is your start. Speak today. Speak now. Your journey continues.
Thank you for being here today. You learned. You practiced. You moved forward. I'm proud of you.
Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is only beginning.
We will see you in the next episode. Take care. Have a great day.
Bye for now. Bye everyone.